you, the simple strategy is for beginners, and I'm going to be growing this small $30 account. So subscribe, follow, and join my Telegram channel. Link is in the description to follow my journey as I grow this small account for one of my students. So without wasting your time, let's just get straight into it. Okay, so for this strategy, you're going to need 3 indicators: the stochastics, oscillator, fractals, and the EMA. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so first we're going to want to add the moving average, EMA. So we're going to set period to 200. So we'll just do this 200. Right. Then click save. Right. Now it appears on our chart. Next we want to add the stochastics oscillator. So we go down here, look for it. Here, K period, change it from 5 to 21. Where it says K percentage period, change it from 5 to 21. Or you can screenshot and save the settings. Otherwise, everything else remains the same. So we're going to click save. And then next, we want to add the fractals. So here, we go look for fractals down here. Don't change anything. Leave it as it is. This is to show you entry points. So just click save. Right. And before I forget, for stochastic oscillator, go to where it says signal here, under styles, where it says signal. And this signal here, right, I want you to change it and make it your background color. So if your chart is white, make it white. If it's black like mine, make it black, so that it's not visible, because we do not need this line. We do not need it where it says signal. Remove it or turn it into your background color. Click save. And then now we go back. As you can see, all the indicators are now on our chart. So here I made an error. Sorry, forgive me. So just going to delete fractals here. Fractals is supposed to be on our main chart here, along with the moving average. So we're gonna go main chart, go back to fractals, and then here I'm just going to change the color. I'm going to make it yellow. So save. So now, as you can see, we now have these fractal arrows right there, here, over there. If they're not visible, in fact, let's go and change the size of our fractals so that it's more visible. So I'm going to take it to 4 pixels and then save. So now, as you can see, they're more visible. As you can see, these yellow arrows right there. So now for this strategy, what you want to do is you look at our EMA, the red line in the middle right there. So what happens if price is above the red line, the EMA, we're looking, so we know that price is in an upwards trend. If it's above the red line, this red line right there, this means it's in an upward trend. So here we're looking for a buy. We do not want to oppose the market. So the only thing we need to do here, first we go here. So as we can see, it's above the red line, which is the EMA, right down there. So here we're looking for a buy. So to see whether we should buy or not, we look at the fractal. So you can see here we have this arrow, this red arrow is going to tell us whether to buy or to sell. So these arrows, they all indicators on whether to buy or sell. So if we're not buying, it's so simple, very simple. We're not buying. All we have to do is make sure our stochastics, which is down here, all the way down here, as you can see, it's down here, right? We make sure it's below the 20, level 20. Make sure it's below level 20. Once that's below level 20, make sure your price is above the red line, the EMA, right there. Make sure it's above the EMA. Once you see that, then you look for the fractals, the yellow triangle, right? That's our signal to buy. Once you see that, buy immediately, right? So once you see that, as you can see here, let me just use arrow. as you can see, if we bought here, the price would have gone all the way up there, right there. As you can see, price went all the way up there. Let me just edit this so it's clear. And just gonna put green, save. As you can see, the green arrow that I just put there, price went from all the way down here. And just put those okay. Just look for it drawing to. Okay, I think you understand what I'm trying to say, right? As you can see here, price here, right there, where I just circled. If we bought there, right, price would have gone all the way up there, right? Price would have gone all the way up there, where this yellow line is going, right? The arrow is pointing upwards, would have gone all the way up there. So that's our fixed example. Let's look for another buying example. So right there, we have one right here. So we zoom in just a bit. So for this one, the zoom level does not matter. As you can see here, our price is above the red line, the EMA, right? And our stochastics level is below the 20. For those maybe you may not have gotten it the first time, our stochastics is down here where I just put the blue circle. That's our stochastic level. It's below the 20, level 20, which is shown right there. It's below the level 20. So as you can see, once we see that, that's our confirmation. So now we want to look for more confirmation. We look for our fractals, which is the yellow triangle right there. So these ones right there, but more we want to focus on this one over here. That's our main focus here because it's on same level, right? So let me just remove this, right? So after seeing that, and we know it's above the red line, the EMA, for beginners, those that don't understand. So that's where we want to place our buy order. Place your buy order right there. So if you had placed your buy order right there, let me just zoom in. If you had placed it right there, zoom in a bit. Right, if you had placed your buy order, let me just use the arrow. If you had placed your buy order right there, as you can see, price went all the way up there, to hit this level over here. Let me just show you. Yeah, it went all the way up there to hit this level over here. So it went from this level all the way up there, right? Excuse my drawings, right? So that's our second example. So now we want to look for a sell. So for sell, we look for price. For when price is below the red line, below the EMA, right? So now let's go and look for a sell example. Sell example, right there. Found it, and it's perfect. Right. So as you can see here, let me just show you. Here, our price went above the 80 level. Here, this is where the 80 level is. That's our stochastics. To it above the 80 level, then we see this fractal confirmation right there. So after seeing this, and we know it's below the red line. It's below this red line right there. It's below the red line. So that's where price is. So after seeing that, that's our confirmation. So we want to place a sell order right there. Place our sell right there. And as you can see, price went all the way down here. That's where price went. Right? So we just make it neat and tidy. Right? So price went from here, it came all the way down there. Right? So you'd have gained mass profits from those ones. Even with our smallest lot size of 0.001, our micro lot, you'd have gained about, from this, you'd have gained maybe $15 right there, just from that move, $15, and you'd have grown your small account. So, like I said, my Telegram link is in the description. Join my channel. I have a free channel where I send signals every single day. I also have a VIP channel where I send more signal, but 5 to 8 signals every day, whereas my free channel is just 2 to 3 signals. And my signals are almost 100% accurate. Not 100%, but almost 100% accurate. So please click the link and subscribe to my VIP or my free signals channel, whichever suits you best. So now, let's go into a second example. Now let's look for another example. Okay, here, as you can see, with another example right there. Nice one right there. Right here, where you can see this fractal right there, and as you can see, it's above the 80, above level 80 right there, right? That's where you'd have placed your sell order. It's above the level 80, you'd have placed your sell order right there, and it's below the red line, below this red line. That's where you'd have placed your sell order. So let me just clear this off and show you. So if you placed your sell order right there, you'd have placed your sell order right there. So it means you'd have here, from all the way down here, going all the way down there, or even if you'd hold it, if you'd held it for long, it'd gone down there. But yeah, let's just keep it there. So this move, let's just calculate how many pips. Okay, so just use this crosshair tool here, and as you can see, I'll teach you this in the next video. Down there, yeah, 2,345. So all you do to see how much you'd have made, you just multiply that number by your lot size, which is for us 0.001. That's how you calculate how much money you'd have made. So I'm not gonna waste time. I'm sure you can calculate that on your own, but this would have been a massive move, especially if you're using a higher lot size. Good. Okay, so yes, I hope you all understood this simple strategy. It's very easy. If you need further explanation, I can make a part 2 for the video. And if you need the settings for the indicators that you use, just go down in the description, click the link and join my Telegram channel, where I'll be helping you, sending you signals, free education. And if you want, you can join my VIP channel, where you can get more better benefits. Anyways, that's all for today. Please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Yes, thank you.